Still you know Johnny Osbourne, the dancehall godfather again. NitraTek Sound with the NitraTek crew. No, 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 no. No ice cream, no ice cream, no ice cream, no ice cream sound boy. I don't want no ice cream sound, it's too soft for me. I don't want no ice cream sound, it's soft things you see. I want a sound that can kill a little sleep and then a song. And that is why I say NitraTek is the representative sound. You know that NitraTek is the nicest and the sweetest sound. Sound boy, don't want no one dub sound to have a clash with NitraTek sound. Don't want no dippy sound to have a clash with me, no way. Hey, I want a sound that can ram them souls from early without it too late. You know that NitraTek is the representative sound. You know that NitraTek is the nicest and the sweetest sound. Sound boy, no, 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 no. I want a sound that can ram dance on more than Sunsplash. My gosh, you know that NitraTek is the roughest and the toughest sound.